Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add photos to Apple account on iPhone. So, if you set up your Apple account on your iPhone and decided to discover that there is no unique photo or profile picture is missing, then this video is going to show you how you can easily add your photo to your Apple account profile picture. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. All you need to do to add picture or photo to Apple account on iPhone is open the settings, click on your name, then hang on, go ahead and click on personal information. Then hang on the personal information page, click on edit. Then once you selected edit on the profile picture, come here and then select your profile picture. Now to use a unique photo you already have on your iPhone, click on the gallery button, then select all. On the gallery, scroll down to select your profile picture. So just scroll down. So let's say this is the profile picture I want to set. Adjust it perfectly. I'll click on choose at the bottom right. Then hang on. Then you should see all the filters options available. You can just select your choice of filters. And once you're done, click on done at the top right. Then click on done again. Then hit the back button. Then you should see your profile picture changed. So this might take a couple of seconds to reflect across your Apple account, including your Apple account contact page. So this is going to reflect on your contact page as well, here where you see my card. So after a couple of seconds or days, the profile picture is going to finally pop up here and then you're good. So that's basically how to add photos or picture to Apple account on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.